Welcome to Camp Quirky. We've been so excited about this festival for the longest time. It's the Handmade Camper Van Festival featuring lots and lots of beautiful vans and lots of people who love beautiful vans. So these are our people and we're really excited to be here.
All the vans are just starting to arrive now, so yeah, it's going to be an exciting weekend. So we've already met up with Rich from Beyond the Van.
There's going to be some live music and some workshops happening here, and just going to meet loads and loads of new people. This is the beginning. Everything is quiet here. We're just waiting for people to arrive, and then things are going to get really exciting. So we've had lots of people coming and having a look around Florence, and now we're itching to go and take a look in some other people's vans. It's not just quirky campers here. Everybody that's come along in their own rustic camper vans has opened them up for people to have a look at. There's a whole open doors thing going on, so we're going to venture into the camping area and see if we can meet some new faces and see some new vans. So come and check it out. Yeah, we've just spotted this really beautiful conversion. Can you tell us a bit more about the van?
Yeah, so Toyota Hiace, like a long wheelbase. It's just basically a builder's van, and then I ripped it out and converted it with my dad sort of over 6 weeks over the summer. But yeah, I live in it full time. I'm in the Navy, so I spend 4 months at sea, work on ships, so 4 months back and just bum around Europe in this really. These are all places I've been in the Navy where I've done pilotage, so you just cut the chart out and stick
I
it on,
thought about doing this in Florence as well,
okay,
but it looks so pretty, the woodwork, that I was in two minds and I didn't go for it in the end.
Well, if you need it, I've got folios and charts if you do want any, because I've got loads of them. So,
Oh, have you really?
All over the world, so yeah.
Oh, amazing.
So if you need some, let me know, because I've got loads of stuff.
Brilliant.
So, yeah.
Can we have a little look inside
definitely,
some of the details? I really
It
love
just starts off quite bare, but you end up adding to it. Like I recently put on the stars and the ceiling, they're quite sort of nice and neat. You can just think like a little child again. There's a toilet in there and there's a propane
Nice.
as well, so that comes out there if you need be.
Brilliant.
Under there there's a fridge, just like a lift up cool box thing. There's 3 ways to run off gas or 12 volt. This drops down, so that works out to the table.
Oh, I love that.
So I sit there.
Table on chains is such a good idea.
say under the actual beds themselves, it's got storage. So under there, that's where all the bedding goes. Under there.
That's awesome.
All your clothes is all in there. This does say this pulls out into a double bed, and these cushions fold down.
It's a lovely space. Fluid 35 on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. We've been hanging out with those guys this weekend. It's been really cool to meet them, and they told us about their crazy paint job or lack of paint job. But actually we think it's pretty awesome. So check this out. It would be criminal to paint this van. It really would. Love it. It's brilliant.
Yeah, it's a Volkswagen Crafter,
Yeah.
2007. Bought it as a builder's van, had a bit of time off work
Yeah.
at the time. Spent a couple of months just collecting some recycled materials. Yeah, out skips, stuff like lying around, lying in the shed.
Did what you needed to do.
Yeah, bought some new insulation, new tongue roof for the ceiling and the walls, but the rest of it is recyclable.
That's brilliant. Freedom on the road.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Kids are all left home, so
Amazing.
mortgage is paid off, so
Oh, that sounds like the dream then.
van just ready.
Yeah.
There's a few bits we're just going to sort out solar panel. We just like the meetings today. We decided we're going to go for a portable one with a case, so you can move it with the sun rather than have it fixed on the roof of the van.
Yeah.
Because the angles and stuff are better.
Yeah, it
Position.
definitely helps if you can adjust it. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, as soon as we sort a few bits like that, as soon as we're ready for the house is ready, we'll be off.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Fantastic Ford.
Yeah, it's a Renault Master long wheelbase.
Yeah.
It's coming up to a year conversion now.
Right.
On and so slowly. So it's been a slow conversion.
Did you do the work yourself?
Every single inch of it, yeah.
That is some high quality carpentry.
Thank
I'm
you very
looking at
much.
there. I'm really impressed. I really love using white in a van as well, because it just makes it so much more spacious. And you've got so much seating area. You can have like all your mates in there around for dinner.
And then with the swivels as well.
It's
you've
huge
got,
in here.
Yeah,
So you could comfortably sit, 6 people in here to
definitely.
hang out?
We've had our max so far, our record is 10.
Map shelf, I'm sold. So even though Florence has the most gorgeous oven, we have treated ourselves to a ridge monkey. Yep, there's a guy, really nice guy, on a stall over there selling them £25 each. So we thought we'd invest in one. We love our toasted cheese sandwiches and bits and bobs, so we thought we'd grab one. So hopefully over the next, few videos you might see us using a ridge monkey more and passing on our tips and tricks and stuff like that, because as you know we love to cook. So, there it is. Really good. So this is a genuine ridge monkey. There is like fake ones out there, but someone was saying that the proper ridge monkeys are slightly better. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. But for 25 quid, we thought we'd give it a go, and I'm going to try it now with a toasted ham and cheese sandwich. Let's do this.
It's ridge monkey madness.
Is a tasty ham and cheese toasty.
So lots of people have been asking me for recipes for things that I cook in the van, but not everybody has an oven. So I'm going to try and adapt some of the things I do for the ridge monkey, and hopefully over the course of the summer, when I've got a bit of spare time, I can share some of these recipes and methods of cooking in different ways depending on what you have in your van. So give me a bit of time and I'll see what I can do. So lovely, we've met so many people. Every time we try and get around vans, we just end up chatting with people. So we're gonna have a go today. Lots of people arriving today on the Sunday day tickets. There's gonna be lots of new faces to see. It's bright and breezy, another lovely day. So looking forward to what we find.
Right, the time has come to say goodbye to Camp Quirky 2018, and it's been an amazing weekend.
Yeah, we've really enjoyed it. We've met so many lovely people. It's been amazing to see so many beautiful vans, lots of people with exciting plans to do their vans. So hopefully Camp Quirky 2019 will get to see those developments.
Yeah, and I would like to go through all the names and people that we've met from YouTube that follow us and Instagram and stuff like that. But
So
we'd be here all day. But
so many beautiful people we've
yeah,
met.
but
yeah.
a big thank you to everyone that we've met. So if we met you at Camp Quirky, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, it's really nice to meet you. And sorry there's not that much us like talking on camera because we've just been chatting all weekend and we haven't had much time to do much vlogging.
Yeah, I'm really sad it's all over. That's it. I've been looking forward to Camp Quirky for so long, and it was, you know, so much more than I expected. But, you know, all good things have to come to an end. So on to the next adventure.
And on that note, we will say goodbye and we will see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.